Today, I have a 3D printer made Fidget toy, guys. This is called the Impossible Pyramid. Made from a 3D printer. Okay, see this? Okay, so you could do this. Fun. I have one of these. It's new size old, and it goes much faster because mine's been played with more often. These are just new ones that were just made, so that's right. So back one, okay? See that? Right? You do this again. Boo. Again. It's good. See? Be easy. Be easy. Okay? And it works. Like so. Down. It works. Underneath. It works. Like, this is a nice, beautiful, nice toy. For people with disabilities, autistic people. There we have it, guys. Thanks for watching. P.S. Here is a few of my friends playing with these. So, I'll show you guys the reaction of these.
It's a Fidget toy.
I know. My aunt didn't have one of these.
Yeah, it goes out and in. It's pretty fun. It goes in both ways.
Yeah.
And that piece will go in backwards. I'll show you. Take it. Be fun.